Hello everyone. Today let's see what came from Amazon. You probably read the title, so yeah, you already know what's there. Let's see how this let's get to it. Let's get to it. Hey, nice bubble wrap. Okay, more bubble wrap. Okay. I have a bad feeling about this, but let's wait. Oh, no, it's the right one. Okay, nice. And that's it. The actual thing. Docking station. All right, that's it. For the HP, yeah, HP UltraSlim docking station. It's kind of heavy. I mean, field weight. Weight is sign of reliability. Alright, so yeah, this thing goes into I'll show you now where it goes. This on this you can see here. And in the lock, right, this is for locking. VGA, some reason. Ethernet to display ports. 4 USB 3. I've been told. Super speed. Can you see? Super speed logo. Yep. Power and line in and line out. Yeah, the line in and headphone. Right. So why do I want this? Because here we have this. Just one moment. Here we have this gorgeous HP EliteBook 840 G3. Yeah. And this one, you see, it has it's got VGA port, super speed USB port. This side and this side. Okay, you see. Got. By the way, this thing goes here. I think. Ethernet. This is another USB port. For contact. Headphone port. Display port. For some reason, if using display port, I had to find the display port to HDMI, and a USB-C port, which is USB 3, but it doesn't provide power, and it doesn't support display link or any other, just pure USB basically. It's like so yeah, let's see how do we do it. Okay, let's try. How do I do? Okay, I'm gonna cut. I'm not going to embarrass myself trying to assemble this with one hand, and then I'll show you. Alright, we're back. Now I found the best way to do it. You see something here? You see a thing here? Okay. You just slide here, and then you, and this should, okay. And let's see. Voila. And voila. Okay. Probably had to adjust this a bit, but hey, so far so good. Right. So if you have a HP EliteBook, I believe this Docker is compatible with most EliteBooks anyway. So I'm gonna make another video on the configuration. So stay tuned for that. Cheers. So alright, just a quick note. Post factor. How to connect your laptop. You come here, you just put it here, you will slide gently. Let's try again. Put it here, you just slide, it will fall there. Connect, and it's connected now. Oh, that's a lot of dust. Right. It's connected now. I thought I would show you this after a few trial and error. So, cheers.